Okay, we are getting ready to go to the RTR and have to finish work today. And we got the truck camper is fairly in order, ready to go. There's my heater, 1000-watt baseboard, and it's done a pretty good job of keeping me warm down to about 25 degrees. And then I need to either turn on the house furnace or the air conditioning unit overhead has a heating element in it, about 350 watts, and it's just enough additional heat to warm up the rest of the truck camper. So I have to do a little more cleaning up. Here's my view out the window from where I'm camped. Been working on a job here helping a friend of mine who needs help. This is the little bathroom space that I have. It's good for a shower. I've got 35 gallons of fresh water, 6 more gallons in the water heater, 20 gallons of gray water, and 20 gallons of black water, I believe. And so yeah, works out pretty good. Last night we made a pizza. And so anyway, I've got stuff stashed on the bed in the daytime so that I can use the dinette at night. And then at night, stuff comes off the bed and goes back into the dinette. And that box there in the middle, that's all Charlie's stuff. But Mr. Kitty isn't with me on this trip, so it's just kind of taking up space. And I got a little garbage to take out. Okay, so it's time to head up to the job site and work one more day, and then we're going to be hitting the road in the morning. And I think we're going to be going either down through Bend, Oregon on 97, Las Vegas, and then down to Quartzsite, or head over to Boise and down, I think it's 95, and get into Las Vegas that route, and then south to Quartzsite. So, okay, let's get the show on the road, get one more day of work done, and then we're going to hit the road and go down to Quartzsite, RTR, meet some people, meet some old friends, new friends, and just have some fun. Okay. Okay, my trusty truck camper needs a bath. I haven't run it for a few days, so I'm going to light this baby up here now. I need to get up and wax that front window. It's a plexiglass or something window. Alright, let's see what we get. Start this baby up. It should go right off the bat. Look at that, fires right up.
The more, well,
okay.
Any kind of redistribution doesn't seem to be.
This is where I've been working. It's right next to Trout Lake Creek, or just Trout Creek. So we still have a little bit of snow on the ground. And this here is the river cabin I've been working on. This cabin has sat for about 40 years. It's a little slick walking along here. But yeah, this cabin sat for about 40 years. And so it's just now been bought, and someone is getting it fixed up. And that's where I come in. So I'm driving myself today because I've got running around to do, getting ready to go down to the RTR. and I need to have the truck with me so that I can get various errands done. Gotta clean it, vacuum it, get ready to go, make the appearances look better. So, okay. And there you go. For dinner tonight, Dave and I are having steak burritos. Looks excellent. Yum. Hey, Dave. How is it?
Good.
Excellent. Steak. And here's what we got. We have our Safeway chuck flank steak with rosemary, sage, Italian herb, some chili powder, and some Tony Saucheries. That's like our favorite. Arboreal rice. Delicious. And Rosarita refried beans. And an avocado, and spinach leaves, and sliced onion. I think that's everything. So we are going to continue having dinner now. It was quite excellent.
It's Kitty Spa Day. Hey, Charlie. Wanna say hi to Pop? Says meow. Hi, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, back to licking. Tootsies.